wathi ubuya emtshadweni ngenkani qeda uyisikekela abantu. Listen to this story. First of all, I'll start by introducing myself. My name is Gifty Band. So guys, before I became all this, I was once a photographer. Story ends January. So ngafika this other girl wathiwa nguSamazi sesikudala vele siyamubi engakaqala ukubleach so me expose. So Samantha lo ngafika vele sesengipangwa guys sesiyisinkwa somuntu kusafakwa wathiwa ngama-happy sungabe lama-frontal. Yeah, abantu befaka ama-pawns yiwo ama-days angikhona thina singabo-photographer. Samantha lona happened wakhula wajola lo member lo manje ngulitshele ibizo lakhe. Njalo member lo wasethula ngalomshado member wasekhiphile fakela ngalomshado laphana. So Samantha wathi mina baby lo cameraman wami lo ayishile since kudala uthi Gifty Band. Member la wayelabo cameraman bakhe manje amajida akhe no, the guys which are better, they got HD cameras. Mina khona bangangelawa. But yabakho yahlupha abantu utshele zethu abuna alright angcono ke emshadweni khona singawenzi mangafuna ushuthi Gifty Band manje umuntu ucheva believe. Remember that okay, it's cool. Remember what I'm Jaden wayelebizo lesikhiwa 10 sizwa leyo wabese bembuza iprice ngahle ngakhuluma isigaga semali because phela remember wayekhuluma isikhiwa wasefela ukukhuluma ngeEnglish. Swim but it's fine nganje 2k per day. Athi ngifuna half deposit phela njengomuntu osesijaye professional. Alala kwazi boy namakhiwa afuna into serious. Ngase ngikhuluma ngesikhiwa la. Ungathi na usuzidile le 2k nge1 day. Mali wonda feature. See? Oh, member phela awayishayisa imali yana ga. Fikile ngalomshado bazalwane vele ngasho ngathi sukuma ngani uchada mina nganjene kubi lamajidami 1-2 phela uthi ayemambela ama live uthi ngishute emnandi. Sesifile lapha emshadweni. First ceremony leni yokuthi abakhaphi bangena ngashuta mnandi sibili entrance kamjida entrance kamakoti swi. Sesukuphathi leya namanje ngini wawe right guys abantu uSatan ezesona uSatan wabuya sengisikhekhela abantu ngemistake. So guys, mina thank you for watching.